Hey, good afternoon, guys. We are here in Perryville, Kentucky today at a place called Camp Horsin Around. If you've never heard of it, you got to learn more about it. We're actually in the medical facility that the kids use, and I love what you guys said. You said this is a place for fragile children. What a beautiful way to speak of a lot of kids. They get chemo here in this room. Chris, talk a bit about some of the children that go to Camp Horsin Around and who you all are serving.
Well, we serve children whose health is compromised or who have special needs. That's our first criteria. So kids with cancer come. We have asthma children. We have diabetic children that come. And if they have to have a treatment, for the instance, if the asthma group has to have a breathing treatment, they can have that here. If we need chemo while a child is at camp, they can have the chemo here. So the different groups bring in physicians and nurses with them, and they staff the medical facility because they know the children that they're bringing to camp.
Well, not only do you have a medical facility, Phyllis Cronin, but you guys have an amazing facility here that really allows the children to be kids and to be campers. Talk a bit about that and what all you all offer for the camp.
We offer all the kids can do. Whatever they can do, we want them to do it. Now, we have a limited number of things that, the swim, we have a basketball court, we have a climbing wall. We have a fishing pond so they can get out in kayaks or pedal boats. We also have a swinging bridge that takes them down to the little river where they can catch crawdads, which is probably one of their very favorite things to do.
It allows them to be kids, doesn't it? Now, you guys also have some beautiful cabins here, and it takes the help of many different families and organizations and friends of Camp Horsin Around to help build those cabins. Talk about the facilities that you have here offered for the children.
Well, we have all the things that camps have, but probably one of the things we receive the most comments on is our cabins and the furniture. And the furniture was done by Rocky Top, which is the log furniture, and we feel like it's indestructible. And I think a few times it's been challenged, but so far it's holding up. And, it's a place where they can come and unwind and not worry about hospital visits or doctor's visits. They just come and have a good time.
Such a neat place to see. And Chris, for the off season of camp, you guys also offer the facility, nonprofit organizations. Tell us about that. A lot of different groups, church groups come too.
Correct. We have our first priority is for children whose health is compromised or who have special needs. And when those weeks are not filled, then we have other groups such as church groups. We've had some retreats for deacons that have come down and other not-for-profits that utilize the camp during those off seasons.
Yeah. Well, when we mention families and friends of Camp Horsin Around, Miss Jenna Mitchell and Matthew Mitchell are huge supporters of what they're doing here at Camp Horsin Around. We need more families, more friends like you guys who are able to help out. Talk about your involvement a bit and how it makes you feel when you're walking the grounds of this place.
Well, Phyllis has really given us a gift she asked us to be involved and asked us to sponsor one of the cabins, and it was just so great to see it in person for the first time, and so we're grateful that we got to be a part of this got to be part of Camp Horsin Around. So, and it's serving 1,300 kids this summer, and so it's just a great organization, and to be a part of it, the gift is ours.
It is a beautiful facility, that is for sure. You too can help out. If you want some more info on how you can help out or just more info on Camp Horsin Around in general, go to camphorsin.org. I'm Deanne Stevens, out and about at Camp Horsin Around. I love this place. Back to you guys.